In this video, I'll show you how to send tiered pricing options in a single proposal. If you've ever struggled with creating proposals that give your clients a clear breakdown of different pricing levels, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this easily and efficiently. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create tiered pricing proposals that work. And if you stay tuned, I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial for our software, which makes this whole process a breeze. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you have a clear understanding of the pricing tiers you're offering. You don't want to overwhelm your client with too many options, so keep it simple. Typically, you'll have at least 3 pricing levels: a basic option, a mid-tier option, and a premium option. Now, when you're creating your proposal, you'll want to organize each tier clearly. Start by listing the services or products included at each pricing level. For example, at the basic level, you might offer fewer features, while the premium option includes everything your service offers. Make sure each option is distinct and easy to compare. Your client should immediately understand what they're getting with each price point. Next, you'll want to make use of the pricing structure to highlight the value of each tier. The key is to make the mid-tier and premium options look like better deals in comparison to the basic one. This is where your pricing strategy comes into play. You want to show the client that the higher tier options provide more value for only a slight increase in price. Once your pricing tiers are set, it's time to organize the proposal in a way that's easy to follow. You can use tables or bullet points to structure the tiers. If you're using proposal software, many of them have built-in templates for this. Our software makes this process super smooth. You simply input the details of your tiers, and it automatically formats everything for you, which saves you time and keeps everything professional. It's important to also include a section that explains the value of each pricing tier. For example, for the premium tier, you might want to explain how your client will get priority support or additional features that will help them achieve their goals faster. This extra explanation helps clients feel confident in choosing the right tier for their needs. Now, when you're ready to send the proposal, make sure it's easy for your client to review and accept. Most proposal software lets you send the document electronically, and some even allow clients to sign and approve directly within the platform. This makes it simple for your client to move forward without any confusion or delays. Here's your key takeaway. Creating tiered pricing options in a single proposal is all about clarity, value, and simplicity. Keep the tiers distinct, highlight the value of each option, and present it in a professional, easy-to-read format. To recap, define your pricing tiers clearly, organize them in a visually appealing way, highlight the value of each option, and use software to make the process smoother. If you want to try out the software we use today, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.